As a homeowner in Washington, D.C., maintaining and enhancing your property is a priority, whether you plan to stay long-term or eventually sell. One of the most impactful home improvements you can make is installing replacement windows. While it may seem like a big investment up front, the long-term benefits of replacement windows far outweigh the initial costs. From improving your home's energy efficiency and security to increasing curb appeal and reducing maintenance requirements, replacement windows provide numerous advantages that make them a smart investment. Here's a closer look at the long-term benefits of installing replacement windows in your Washington, D.C. home. Increased energy efficiency. Washington, D.C. experiences a wide range of temperatures throughout the year, with hot, humid summers and cold, snowy winters. These weather fluctuations can have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency. Old, outdated windows, especially single-pane windows or windows with broken seals, often allow air to leak in and out, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Replacement windows can dramatically improve the energy efficiency of your home by providing better insulation. Many modern windows feature double or triple pane glass, with gas-filled gaps between the panes to reduce heat transfer. Low emissivity coatings on the glass also reflect heat back into the home during the winter and block heat from entering in the summer, helping to maintain a consistent temperature year-round. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to keep your home comfortable, leading to lower energy bills and long-term savings. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows are one of the most visible features of your home. Whether you're updating your home for personal enjoyment or preparing it for resale, new windows can instantly enhance your home's curb appeal. Over time, windows can become worn, cracked, or outdated, negatively affecting the overall appearance of your home. Modern window designs offer sleek, stylish options that complement your home's architectural style. Whether you choose fiberglass, vinyl, or wood, you can find windows that fit seamlessly into the look of your home. Larger windows or more contemporary designs can add a fresh, clean look, making your home stand out in the neighborhood. Whether you're looking for casement windows, picture windows, or double-hung windows, you can choose the style that best suits your aesthetic. Replacing old windows with new, attractive models boosts the value and appeal of your home, making it more inviting and increasing its marketability if you decide to sell in the future. Improved security. Outdated windows can be a weak point in your home's security. Broken or worn-out locks, cracked glass, or warped frames make it easier for burglars to gain entry into your home. Replacement windows provide the opportunity to upgrade your windows with modern security features that enhance your home's protection. Impact-resistant glass is available for windows, which makes them more difficult to break, providing added protection against break-ins. Multi-point locking systems secure the window at several points along the frame, making it harder for intruders to force the window open. Reinforced frames ensure that the window is structurally sound, reducing the likelihood of forced entry. Installing new, secure windows ensures that your home is better protected from potential break-ins, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Reduced maintenance. Older windows often require more maintenance, such as scraping, painting, and repairing damaged frames or seals. This can be time-consuming and costly over time. Replacement windows are designed to be low maintenance, with materials like vinyl and fiberglass that require minimal upkeep. Vinyl windows are especially easy to care for, as they don't need to be painted or stained and can be cleaned with soap and water. Fiberglass windows are durable and resistant to rotting, warping, and fading, ensuring they retain their appearance and performance over time with little maintenance. By installing replacement windows, you reduce the need for frequent repairs and maintenance, saving you time, money, and effort in the long run. Noise reduction. Washington, D.C. is a busy, vibrant city, and many homes are located near high-traffic areas, busy streets, or commercial zones. If you're tired of the constant noise from passing cars, construction, or city life, new windows can help. Double or triple pane windows are excellent at blocking external noise. The multiple layers of glass and insulating gas help absorb and reduce the amount of sound that enters your home. Laminated glass can also provide superior soundproofing, making it ideal for homes in noisy neighborhoods or near airports. By installing noise-reducing windows, you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful living environment, improving your overall quality of life. Long-term return on investment. While the cost of window replacement may seem high initially, it is a long-term investment that pays off in several ways. Not only will you save money on your energy bills, but you'll also increase your home's value and marketability. According to industry reports, homeowners can expect a return on investment, ROI, of up to 70–80% on window replacement when selling their home. New, energy-efficient windows are attractive to potential buyers, and they can help your home sell faster and at a higher price. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, you'll benefit from the increased comfort, energy savings, and enhanced security that new windows provide. Conclusion. Installing replacement windows in your Washington, D.C. home is a smart investment that provides long-term benefits, including increased energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, improved security, and reduced maintenance costs. Whether you're looking to save money on energy bills, improve your home's appearance, or increase its value, new windows offer a range of advantages that make them a worthwhile investment. With a variety of styles, materials, and energy-efficient options available, replacement windows can transform your home into a more comfortable, secure, and attractive space for years to come.